Today we're gonna talk about fuckboys.
What's up, you guys? Casman here with a new video, coming back at you with this brand new stuff. Okay, now a few weeks ago I had my mom on my YouTube channel and she was talking about a whole bunch of random highway stuff that happens on the highway, right? So that same day my sister made like a sort of kind of video and she was going all crazy and stuff. So I'm gonna show you the clip and hope you enjoy this part of the video. Yo, Casman, roll the clip, bro.
We're gonna talk about fuckboys and their natural habitat. Always doing some shit.
That's recording.
19 minutes.
Oh, it's recording still?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought. I'm just kidding. I got me a nice, faithful boyfriend. He better be all blow.
Give these young girls some advice.
My advice to you is focus on school. You don't need no boyfriend. No boyfriend gonna make you rich. You gonna make yourself rich. Go to school and get your education.
Education.
Don't have no babies. Keep them legs closed.
Exactly.
Advice to all you hoes out there.
Mom said stop calling girls hoes. Do the right thing. Do what you're supposed to do. Have a boyfriend that's gonna be there for you. That respects you.
Why you didn't call me a hoe when you said it?
Oh hell. Come here, hoe. Oh, okay. Come here, girl. I don't want you.
Some of them just that sick.
Babe, you gotta push the chair down because your head's out of frame.
Put this taco away. You want any or no?
No, ma, you put that taco away.
Oh, yeah, Mike.
Be right here waiting for you tomorrow.
Okay.